So many times people are like, oh, I have a 740, and then I pull it and it's a 680. And y'all, 740 versus a 680 is like the difference between, do we need to go down the FHA route over conventional, because your rate is going to be atrocious at a 680 on a conventional loan. This is also a big reason why I always recommend that when you are wanting to make a purchase, that you do this 6 months before you are ready to move forward. Because there have been countless amount of times where somebody comes to me and they want to buy within 2 or 3 months, and we are looking at something that's an stinky on your credit report that you're not seeing on your CreditKarma, and now we literally can't move forward and we have to completely change our game plan. Also, as a PS, I work with clients in 49 out of the 50 states. The only state that I cannot cover is New York. So if you want to buy a home in 6 months, especially too if you are seeing and thinking that you're in like the mid sevens, but you've never actually had a soft pull truly done by a mortgage professional, this may be your sign that we need to have a conversation. Let me also give you just a forewarning. If you are connecting with credit, so if you go in CreditKarma, let me just say this, and it has this fun little thing where you dispute things. I'm gonna just say, before you do that, we need to have a conversation, because half the time, honestly, a dispute actually causes more ruckus and chaos in the mortgage application process than just leaving the shit there on your report. So if that is something that like you're seeing and it's blinking and you're like wanting to click it, wait to file, unless it's like legit. Like somebody still, like literally today I had a client, their credit card got stolen and somebody, did some like Uber Eats or something on their account, and it was not them. It like happened totally out of the state. That's different. But like if this is some kind of old credit line that you have active or whatever, pause. And before you get dispute happy, let's have a conversation and see what's actually impacting your score. Because again, CreditKarma, y'all, it basically does everybody dirty, and it sets you up to think that you have a unicorn and you actually have about a 3-legged donkey. And I can't fix it, right? Like I can't snap my fingers and fix these things. So this is your sign that if you want to buy a home in the next 6 months and you've not gone through this process yet to run numbers, to figure out what your credit score is, to figure out what your debt to income ratio is, to figure out, if you need to spend X amount of money per month on a home mortgage payment, then what purchase price do you need to be at? This is why we do this up front and way before you're actually wanting to look at a home, because as you go through this process, if we need to make changes, adjustments, or make plans to fix something, we have the time. Okay, and love you guys. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll see you guys soon.